Okay, listen. I am not in love with my roommate. I'm not. It's just, every time he gets close to me, Sniff, my entire body betrays me. Like yesterday, he leaned in to grab the remote and imitate sneeze. I love you. Right in his face. Do you know how humiliating that is? That's not romance, that's biological warfare. And then this morning, he smiled at me while cooking eggs. Cooking eggs. Snorts, I almost sneezed myself into another dimension. It's not fair. Normal people get butterflies, racing hearts. Me? I get mucus, snot, love-induced hay fever. But the worst part? He laughed. He said, "Bless you, boyfriend. How do you even fight back against that?" I hate him. I really, really love him.